When you're hauling heavy loads, you need a trailer tire and wheel that you can trust. Introducing the Taskmaster 17.5 16-ply radial trailer tire and wheel, designed to support up to 4,540 pounds of weight. We have this in stock and ready to ship. This TWA has a bolt pattern of 8 by 6.5, making it compatible with 10,000 and 12,000 pound trailer axles. And it's specifically designed for dual wheel setups, meaning 2 TWAs per side of your axle, which provides more stability for your load. This heavy-duty steel wheel is corrosion-resistant and finished in powder-coated silver, ensuring long-lasting durability. We are here daily to answer any questions you may have. When you order from the Trailer Parts Outlet, you get the peace of mind that comes with working with a company that truly cares about your success. Our team of dedicated experts is committed to delivering the solutions you need faster than anyone else so you can get back to doing what you do best. We make it easy to find and order the highest quality trailer parts and accessories with a user-friendly website, knowledgeable staff, free shipping, and lightning fast delivery. You can have confidence in every purchase you make.